So today I thought I'd answer a couple of queries that I've been asked in the comments.
So the first question, when I export the Centroid sizes data and then I opened it in Excel and SPSS, the number was huge in millions without decimals. Well, when I export the principal component data, it was a decimal number. What is the unit of the Centroid size? How to run that data in the SPSS analysis as the number is not acceptable. So it all depends on whether you set your scale. If you didn't use the scale factor when you were landmarking your specimens in TPS-DIG or however you landmark them, then your units would essentially be pixels. However, setting the scale means that your Centroid sizes will have units matching whatever you used, for example, centimeters. So we'd need to know whether you set a scale factor when you did this and how big the objects are that you're analysing. So for the next one, hello, I want to know how to download a distance matrix from MorphoJ using a TPS file as a dataset, and I've already reached the PCA stage. I'm not quite familiar with a distance matrix, but I'm guessing it's as it sounds, the distance between the objects expressed within a matrix. Please correct me if this is the wrong assumption. So during the Procrustes analysis, we've also calculated the Procrustes distances, which are the Euclidean distances between specimens. So my question would be, for a distance matrix, are you looking to compare the distance between the entire group and shapes, in which case we could just take it from here and and put that into a matrix? Or are you looking specifically for the distances between the corresponding landmarks for each specimen or group?